How to post on Instagram. So if you want to post on Instagram, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Instagram application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to just simply go with the plus button, which will be on the top left. From here, you need to just simply go and select the post section, which will be on the bottom. Once you're on your post, go and select the photo that you would like to add. Go with next, which will be on the top. You can also add multiple photos if you want to. Next, you can go with the audio, text, overlay, filters, edit, or you can also change your ratio as well. Once done with your editing part, you need to go with next, which will be on the bottom. Here you need to add a caption, any caption that you're comfortable with, and then you can add audio if you want to, then tag people, add location. For that, you need to turn on your location services. Then if you want to add AI label, you can go with that. And then you can choose your audience, which is you can choose everyone and close friends. You'll also have more options. And here you will have all of the other options, which is you can boost your post and then you can schedule the post if you want to. You can turn off commenting, hide like count or share count. And you'll also have an option of automatic sharing. So if you want to share it on your threads, Facebook, or your story, you can toggle these buttons on. Once done, you need to go back and here on the bottom, you'll have share button. You need to tap on share and it will be posted. That's how you can post on your Instagram. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.